Good morning, everyone. Can you please greet the one beside you with a smile? A good morning. You're in good hands with one of the most famous banks in the Philippines. Have a tagline that says, "You're in good hands." At ano nga ba ang totoong isang mabuting kamay? In the gospel for today, we would see Jesus healing the lame, the deformed, the mute, the blind. Kasi ang isang mabuting kamay ay isang nagpapagaling na kamay. A good hand is a hand that heals. At bilang mga pari, kailangan ang mga kamay namin, ang mga kamay natin ay nagpapagaling. I hope our hands are not the cause of the wounds of people. But sometimes we have to admit that we priests inflict wounds. Nakakasugat kami minsan sa mga matatalim naming mga salita. But a good hand is a hand that heals. Nakapagpagaling si Jesus sa Ebanghelyo. Ang mga kamay mo ba nagiging dahilan ng paghilom o dahilan din ng sugat ng iba? A good hand is a hand that heals. A good hand is a hand that accompanies. Ito yung kamay na handang umagapay, handang mag-alalay. Mahirap na pag may mga taong sugatan, may mga taong bulag, may mga taong pingkaw, iiwanan natin. They need to be accompanied. In the parishes, priests, nilalapitan yan ng mga taong sugatan, mga taong may problema. And we priests need to accompany these people. Just like Jesus accompanying those people who are sick, who are blind, who are lame, who are deformed, who are mute. At sa mga sugat na ito, kailangan natin silang damayan. Because a good hand is a hand that accompanies. A good hand is a hand that nourishes. A well-nourished person is a person who is enthusiastic. Kapag ang isang tao, maganda yung pagkain niya, well-nourished siya, may gana siya. Pero minsan, aminin natin na may mga tao na nawawalan ng gana. Bakit? Sa masasakit na salita ng mga pare, sa mga mapanghusgang salita ng mga pare. And we need to ask ourselves, is my hand a nourishing hand? Nakapagbibigay man ng gana ang aking kamay. Just like the hands of Jesus. It is a hand that heals, a hand that accompanies, a hand that nourishes. And lastly, a good hand is a dispenser of love. Nung unang panahon hindi pa uso ang pabango. Para maamoy ng iba ang pabango, yung pabango kailangan mong ilagay, isuksok sa jar. At yung jar na yon, it has to be broken. And we priests need to be broken. We need to give everything. Just like in the gospel, tinanong ni Jesus, ano bang meron kayo dyan? What do you have? Sabi ng mga alagad, Jesus, we only have 7 loaves and fish. At kailangan ganun din tayo bilang mga pari, bilang mga anak ng Diyos. Ibigay nating lahat. Hanggang madurog, hanggang mawalan, hanggang matuyo. Isn't that what Jesus did on the cross? Giving everything? Nawalan si Jesus para magkaroon tayo. Namatay si Jesus para mabuhay tayo. Because He is a dispenser of love. Are we still in good hands? Do you have a good hand? Do we have a good hand? Because a good hand does these 4 things. And how do we spell the word hand? H-A-N-D. Because a good hand, H, heals. A, accompanies. N, nourishes. And D, dispenser of love. Amen.